The secret to how I make $4,000 per week with this video. In today's digital age, there are numerous opportunities to make money online, and I'm here to share with you how I made $4,000 in a week using a combination of innovative tools and affiliate marketing strategies. My journey started with the use of ChatGPT to craft a compelling script for a YouTube video, followed by harnessing the power of Pictory AI to create engaging video content in just a matter of minutes. Alongside this, I formed an affiliate partnership with Pictory to maximize my earnings potential. In this detailed guide, I'll walk you through the steps I took to achieve this success and how you can replicate it. Chapter 1. The power of ChatGPT in script writing. To kickstart my journey, I turned to ChatGPT, a cutting-edge AI language model developed by OpenAI, to help me create an engaging script for my YouTube video. ChatGPT excels at generating coherent and persuasive text based on prompts, and with the help of YouTube video prompt templates, I was able to draft my script in just 2 minutes. This script laid the foundation for a compelling video that would attract and retain viewers. Chapter 2. Creating the video with Pictory. Once I had my script ready, I leveraged the capabilities of Pictory to turn my words into captivating visuals. Pictory is an AI-powered video creation tool that can transform text into stunning video content with ease. In just 5 minutes, Pictory took my script and generated a professional-looking video complete with animations, images, and voiceover. The result was a visually appealing and informative video that could compete with any professionally produced content. Chapter 3. Establishing an affiliate partnership with Pictory. With my video content ready, I took the opportunity to earn thousands through affiliate marketing. Pictory AI offers an affiliate program, so I decided to seize this opportunity. In just 3 minutes, I signed up for their affiliate program and gained access to unique affiliate links and marketing resources. Chapter 4. Seamlessly promoting Pictory in my video. To ensure a seamless integration of Pictory into my video, I asked ChatGPT to provide me with a persuasive script segment that would effectively explain the benefits of using Pictory. In 3 minutes, ChatGPT delivered a compelling narrative that highlighted the value of Pictory, making it irresistible for viewers. Chapter 5. Including affiliate links and call to action. In the video description section below my YouTube video, I strategically placed my affiliate links to Pictory. Additionally, I created a strong call to action encouraging viewers to subscribe to Pictory and become affiliate partners themselves. This setup enabled me to not only generate revenue directly through my affiliate links but also through potential commissions from viewers who joined the program. Chapter 6. Sharing the opportunity with the world. As I published my video on YouTube, I knew that I was sharing a golden opportunity with my viewers. The combination of a well-crafted script, stunning video content, and a compelling affiliate partnership with Pictory created a winning formula. While results may vary, Pictory is a powerful tool that has the potential to change lives, just as it did for me. In just a few simple steps, I managed to make $4,000 in a week by leveraging the power of ChatGPT, Pictory, and affiliate marketing. This journey showcased the incredible potential of AI tools in content creation and affiliate marketing. The synergy between these technologies allowed me to create engaging content that not only informed and entertained but also generated substantial income. Remember that success in the online world takes effort and dedication. While I can't guarantee the same results for everyone, I believe that with Pictory being such a valuable tool, you have the opportunity to start your own income-generating path right away. Seize this opportunity while it's hot, and who knows, you might be sharing your success story soon. Good luck!